To transfer music from your smartphone to Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, you need to go to your smartphone and open the Wearable app or Galaxy Wearable app. Now, once you open it, you want to go to Settings over here by switching to this list of different options. And then in here, we need to find the Manage Content option. We want to go over here. Then we have Tracks on Watch. We want to go here. And then you should be able to see the list of all tracks, all music that you have on your smartwatch. You can use this plus button in the upper right corner to add something from your smartphone and transfer it to your smartwatch. So we're going to use this plus. And if you go here for the first time, you might need to grant some permissions, so be sure to do that. Switch to tracks over here, and then you should be able to see all audio files that you have on your phone. So let's say I'm going to select this audio file in here, and then I'm going to tap on Add to Watch. Now, it is also possible that you will see this information, couldn't add tracks to watch. So if that is the case, you want to go back to your watch, go to notifications, and you will see a notification from the Wearable app. And you want to tap on this notification to go to permissions. Over here, tap on View Permissions, and then allow all of these permissions and that are going to be displayed. And then once you return to your notifications, you can go back to your smartphone and retry the transfer. And then you should be able to actually transfer the selected track. You might need to wait like a minute or so, or sometimes even more, of course, depending on how big the file size is in order to transfer the music. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.